If you want to improve the performance of your rotary encoders, check out our new Sendix EtherNet IP models. EtherNet IP can make all kinds of automation devices faster, and encoders are no exception. Our Sendix F58 encoders transfer position data 5 times faster than other EtherNet IP encoders. That speed makes them a great fit for fast-moving packaging, printing, and textile lines. EtherNet IP also makes setup a breeze. Simply plug the encoder into the network and configure it using simple software. The new encoders have other benefits too, from the reliability of EtherNet IP's device-level ring feature to SIP extensions that allow the encoder to seamlessly integrate into motion control and safety systems. And the new EtherNet IP models offer all the accuracy, flexibility, and mechanical reliability you expect from any of our encoders. You can learn much more about EtherNet IP and encoder performance in our latest white paper. Download it at KueblerNews.com.